For today's meal, you will need flour tortillas, 2 eggs, turkey bacon is what I use, but bacon or sausage, and cheese. So I've cracked 2 eggs, and now I'm breaking them up or whipping them up so that I can put them in the pan. Today we are making a quesadilla, egg and cheese sausage quesadilla. So I saw this recipe and I thought, what a healthy breakfast. And I like Mexican food and I like quesadillas, so I'm doing that first. Okay, so we're going to pour the egg right onto the pan. We want to tilt it a little bit. And as it's cooking, I'm going to add some cheese. I'm going to sprinkle some cheese on top. Then we're going to take our tortilla and we're going to place it right on top. Letting it cook a little bit. Now my tortilla is a little bit smaller than the egg mixture, so I'm hoping that, so I'm kind of scraping the eggs a little bit. Okay, it looks like it's setting. So now I'm gonna flip. There you go. And I'm going to sprinkle cheese on one side. Actually, I'm gonna put it on both sides because I like cheese on both sides. I'm going to add some cilantro because I like cilantro and I like it's a little bit spicy. So I'm adding some cilantro. There's a couple of pieces that weren't pieces I should be using of cilantro, but oh well. It's okay. And then I took my sausage and it's already cooked, so I'm breaking it up to put on into my quesadilla. To flip my tortilla before it gets burnt. Let's see. Oop, that's okay. I like a crispy tortilla. So, plus I have the heat on a little high. Then I have it on my plate. Rocky's saying, "Can I have a piece of your tortilla?" Here, I'll give you some egg. Here, Rocky. Here. Okay. So I got some salsa. I'll put that on my plate. Just enough for my breakfast quesadilla. And I have some non-fat Greek yogurt, so I like that instead of sour cream. I'm gonna put a scoop right there. Rocky's still looking to say, hey, am I gonna get some more? He's waiting patiently. Then I'm going to cut it in threes. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Oh, look at all that cheese. Rocky's still looking. We cut it. Give Rocky one more little. Did he catch it? All right, so a Saturday morning breakfast quesadilla burrito, or quesadilla. Lots of cheese. Really good. Healthy for you. Easy to make. With some salsa and Greek yogurt. You can put some sour cream on it. It's Saturday morning, so I'm wearing my pajamas and making my breakfast. So if your family member can help you make this, because you have to use a skillet, and it's hot. Oh, it's so good. I've never had this before, so I'm trying new recipes and eating lots of cheese. One more bite for Rocky. All right, try this recipe. If you don't have any meat, you can just have cheese. Okay, it's really good.